Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Cogs thread type, pitch, and diameter so you swap for a matching unit. Once confirmed, secure the assembly to prevent movement and mark orientation to preserve alignment. Next, you fit the correct wrench or puller. Use a thread gauge if uncertain. You'll loosen retaining fasteners in controlled increments, then remove the cog while supporting neighboring parts. Make sure to clean mating surfaces and inspect threads for damage before moving to installation. Now you install the replacement cog by hand threading it to ensure you don't cross-thread. Feel for smooth engagement and stop if resistance spikes. Once hand-seated, use the correct torque specification and tighten in small increments, checking engagement as you go. If multiple cogs or spacers are involved, insert and index them in sequence to maintain spacing. After torquing, spin the assembly to confirm free rotation and alignment. If you use lock compounds, apply them sparingly and allow cure time as specified. Finish by rechecking torque values, ensuring full thread engagement, and confirming the cog sits flush against its mating face. These steps prevent loosening under load. Once done, put the system under a light functional load and listen for binding, skipping, or unusual noise. If you detect problems, stop and back off the fastener, then re-clean threads and mating surfaces. Inspect for cross-threading, burrs, or damage and replace parts if needed. One key tip: don't over-tighten, address the root cause, not just more torque.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.